In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to make money with Steam points and whether or not it is possible for you to do this. As you might be aware, every time that you purchase a game, DLC, an expansion pack, anything through the Steam store, you will receive points that are added onto your account. These points are primarily used for cosmetic items, so things that you can use to decorate your profile, and overall, all of these items are for visuals only. These items are not tradable or marketable. So even though some of these items will have marketable versions, you will only get those when you gather all of the Steam trading cards for a specific game and you craft a badge of that game. The Steam Points shop simply provide an alternative way of acquiring these avatars, these backgrounds, these emotes, but they aren't tradable like I said before. So how do you go about making money if you cannot sell these items? Well, the harsh reality is that it is basically impossible for you to make any significant amount of money. You can still make a few cents or even some dollars here and there, but the process is slow and not guaranteed. So how do you go about indirectly making money? What you have to do is purchase stuff that gives you XP. So for example, if you go into the seasonal badge and you click any of these, you will notice that these badges will actually give you Steam XP and Steam level. Every time that you level up your Steam profile, you will increase your odds of receiving booster packs. So as you can see, according to the official frequently asked questions page, once eligible, your Steam level increases your rate of receiving a booster pack drop. At level 10, you will have plus 20%, level 20, plus 40, and so on. By increasing the drop rate of booster packs in your account, you will be able to possibly drop one of these booster packs, and then you can either sell the booster pack or sell the cards that you acquire from that booster pack, essentially making a few cents. But like I said before, this is going to take a while. There is no guarantee that you will actually get the booster pack drops, and even when you get the booster packs and you have the cards to sell, as you can see, they don't sell for a lot. So it is not a guaranteed way to make money by any means, but it is still possible passive income every now and then, okay? So that's the harsh reality. Overall, it is not possible for you to make money, but you can still make a few cents theoretically. So I hope I was able to answer your question. If this video answered, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.